We are at a Harvest Host. We got chickens right next door to us. We have a big field out here. Running on generator power. First time since we've had the camper. Second time since we bought the thing. Kind of glad it started. We are at a winery in someplace in Georgia, near Macon. Got a nice... Alright, as you can see, we are at a little farm here. It's really a winery. It's a Harvest Host. We have been to a couple Harvest Hosts before. 4 of them.
Sure, we'll go with
something
4.
like 4.
Yes.
First one was in Appleton, no,
Sheboygan,
Wisconsin. It was an apple orchard.
It was an apple
and
orchard. It was very nice.
We had our first little faux pas with the
we won't talk about that.
awning. It still works good. They just lost a chunk of an apple tree. It wasn't the end of the world. Second one was in Pontiac, Illinois. It was right outside the Route 66 museum and all the Route 66 stuff that goes on there, because that's like the world United States headquarters for Route 66. And we were right outside the police station, or the...
It was City Hall. It was the
City
parking
Hall.
lot of City Hall.
That one was really nice. Number 3 was in Effingham, Illinois. It was another winery like we're at today. It was the Tuscan Hills Winery, which was really good. They had really good food. They had some pizza that was awesome. And after that, we went to a farm
in Kentucky, the Benton family farm, and we will post a video that we took there. It warms my heart every time I see it. It's our little Xena meeting a 1-week-old baby goat.
We've gotten some product. What do we got, Lise?
We have a slushy bag of Mudslide. Basically, these are the Capri Sun for adults.
And it's got my name written all over it. Mudslide.
It does. And then I got a flight. I got to choose 4 different wines. I went with sweeter wines. They have a variety of wines and spirits.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
And they have about a dozen different types of slushies available.
Nice.
This is their current selection.
Nice.
It can change at any time.
And that container that they're in is awesome to keep.
Or give back when I'm done.
Well, I think they want it back.
I know they want it back.
Alright. Alright, let me finish my beer.
Move
and
on
I'll
to
get
your
to that
mudslide.
mudslide.
Here. They're goats. How cool. There's a baby. Oh my goodness. Oh. Please tell me you're getting that.
Video.
Oh. You are so sweet. Oh my goodness.